There is one meal that takes 3 minutes to make, has 40 to 50 grams of protein, and also has testosterone boosting effects. And when I'm bulking, I drink this in the morning as my first meal of the day, and also later in the afternoon as my last meal of the day. I call this meal the boner shake. You will realize why later. And right now, I will show you how to make it. Okay, so we start with 4 eggs. Bam, 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 bam. Then a splash of milk, like this. Some optional whipping cream for the bulk. Scoop of protein, another one for the bulk. And some flavoring. Today we have some exclusive cinnamon flavoring. Also, alternatively, some honey. Close it up and shake it up. And the big advantage is that you can make modifications to this recipe. My 3 favorite variations is that on top of the usual things that you will add some vanilla extract to make it vanilla flavored, or you add some cocoa powder to make it chocolate flavored, or you add some cinnamon to make it cinnamon flavored. This is really, really good if you add like whipping cream into that, and it's the best. It actually tastes good. And there is also a way to make this shake more enjoyable. It is that you don't mix it in a shaker because it might leave some egg bits. Is that you put it in a blender, or if you have like a small blender. I unfortunately don't have that. Now when I think about it, I will definitely buy something like that. You just add the eggs and blend them up until they are like really, really smooth. And sometimes I used to just put like a tablespoon of sugar and just drink that like that, and it was kind of tasty. But you add the milk, you add the protein powder, you add some form of flavoring if you want, and you blend it up like that. It's actually pretty good. And once I made this with 15 eggs, and me and my cousin were just sitting and like sipping this whilst we were just talking and stuff like that. And the other benefits of this shake is that it has high amount of bioavailable or organic protein. Because there is bioavailable proteins, which are proteins that get into your muscles and into like your strength and performance way easier than other ones. Proteins from eggs and like even uncooked eggs and from protein powder are really high level. And like plant-based protein powders and essentially whatever plants have like protein in them, and your body needs to try really hard to pull those proteins and nutrients out of those. And the other 2 benefits is that eggs in the morning are really useful for testosterone production and energy, because in eggs you have some cholesterol, and that allows you, because cholesterol is the building block of testosterone, that makes you be able to produce more testosterone throughout the day. And also cholesterol has some energetic effects, so you essentially have more energy throughout the day, and eggs have been scientifically proven to be the best form of breakfast you can have. And drinking this shake with eggs and protein and milk gives you all of the micronutrients and also the macronutrients to build testosterone and also like muscle whilst you sleep. Because most of your body's testosterone is produced while you sleep, and also your muscles recover throughout sleep. And another benefit of this shake, which I like, is that it's drinkable. Like, I can drink this whilst working. I drank this while scripting this video I had it written here. Because when I'm like scripting and researching for these videos, I don't really like to like take a break and like eat or stuff like that. I just want to be in the flow. And whilst doing that, I can have my egg shake and just drink that. I usually make like a double dose, like 2 scoops of protein and 8 eggs, because there is like a larger volume and I can just drink that from like 6 or 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. And I have known about this shake for a bit over a year, but I wasn't drinking it like regularly for the bulk or for the micronutrients. I was drinking it only when I used to go to my girlfriend's place, or when she came here to work out, and we ended up doing some heavy cardio after that, if you know what I mean. Now, how to not get salmonella with this recipe? Because every time I share this recipe with someone, they are like, oh, but you will get salmonella. It's actually pretty hard to get it. the acidity of your stomach is so high that it will just eat basically any bacteria that may be there. So if you don't drink a lot of water or any alkaline drink before this, you are absolutely chilling. Or if you don't eat like a really heavy meal before this. So when I have it in the morning, I make sure to not drink more than half a liter of water before this. And if I drink the water right after waking up, so I wake up, drink around half a liter of water, then I wait about an hour or two, and then I start drinking the shake. And that makes me not get salmonella. Plus, when I drink it later in the day, I make sure that I haven't ate anything for around 2 hours and haven't drank anything for around an hour. And that's pretty easy to maintain. And as I said, I've been using this recipe for a bit over a year and I never got salmonella or sick. Now you also need to get the highest quality eggs that you can get. I did some research for this video and I found out that some countries have like eggs not refrigerated. I'm like, what? How can you have not refrigerated eggs? And I found out that the non-refrigerated eggs have still like the lining because they are not like cleaned or whatever. But if you buy eggs that are already refrigerated, that's good. Try to buy the freshest ones and also like organic grass-fed ones because they are also the most healthy, but there is like a lower chance of you getting like sick or whatever, and then keep them in the fridge. Or if you are from a country where they have eggs like not in the fridge, buy them as fresh as possible, and when you come home, put them in the fridge. So make sure to give this recipe a try. And bye, take care bro, you got this.